Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to show you how to set up your vertical streaming. So let's get straight on with it. So your OBS will look something like this, but you want to go on Docs and click on Vertical, which brings out your vertical stream. But if it's like this and it's dead small, you can just hover over the top, see the arrows, bring it up. And then once you've done that, you just bring it to the side. So like push to the side there, that's done. And obviously you can make it bigger or smaller. You can add your YouTube chat if you wanted to, like that. Obviously I need to change the link to bring up the chat, which you have to do every stream. But yeah, that's basically how you bring up your vertical scene like this one. But what I'm going to show you is I'm going to add a new scene for you guys. I've just named it Tut for tutorial. You want to click on the plus, click on either game capture or display capture. I'm just going to do display capture for now. I'm going to click on this one. What you want to do is this is your source and you just make it bigger by dragging it up. If you want it in the middle like this, you can have it like that and you can just lock it in place. And then you can add like a sub board at the top, which says the percentage of what you are up to on your goal, or just add your sub count on the top here. So if I show you, I'm going to go in my browser, go in my YT subs and just make this smaller. I will have a separate video on how to do this, and then you could just make your sub count bigger, add it to the top like that. You could do that. And also if you wanted a little bit something for the background, you can just click on media source. You obviously go on the internet and find a source you want. It can be animated or just a regular picture, and you just make it bigger to the size like this, and then drag this media source to the bottom, and there you go. Now if you're playing your game, obviously I've got a separate video on how to make your health bar and your weapons bar on your stream, so go check that out if you haven't already. And you can just add that to the bottom, and then that can basically be your stream. If you want to add like your webcam, for example, I'll add my webcam just to show you. Here's my webcam here. You just make it smaller. Now I obviously like to cut a bit of my webcam out. You just make it smaller, lock it, just move your display and obviously make it smaller so it's just below your webcam. Try and make it in the middle. You can use the red line to help you with that. Lock it. YT subs, obviously you can move that and drag it to the top, and you can just add it to the bottom, make it smaller. You can put wherever you want, on the top corner, even at the bottom if you wanted. But I like it there because then when people looking at my face, they see, oh look, she's got this many subscribers, and it'll be like, it can be like sort of a challenge for your viewers. Be like, oh, they've got this many subscribers, how many subscribers can we get them? And I think it like that. And that's basically it. So that was the end of the video on how to set up a vertical scene. You can do the same thing with your starting soon, be right back, intermission. With the intermission you make it bigger so you're in the middle. As if you guys have watched my stream before, you know what my intermission looks like. And you can add all sorts of things to your vertical stream that just makes it unique to you. So just maybe do some research on what you want your stream to look like, make your different scenes. If you want to make starting soon scene for your vertical stream, I have a YouTube video on that, so make sure you check it out. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if it helped, and like if you enjoyed, and comment down below if you have any issues with any of this. If you do, I will make a YouTube short on how to do it, or I will comment on your comment that you've commented. And thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.